Welcome to Penny's Theme Lab.
Hi guys, welcome back to Penny's Theme Lab. Sorry, I was just looking for some colors for what we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to be drawing an ice cream. Okay, now you're going to draw a diagonal line like that, and then go up again. I'm going to make mine a little bit taller. There we go. And next you're going to do like a little wave like this, and then go back down. So up, down, up. And now like that. And now once you're like right here, get it all together, and then you're going to go across the rainbow. Next, we're moving on to the eyes. You're going to put a circle, 2 circles in like the middle of your paper, like that. And then you're going to put 2 little dots like that in there. Same with this other side. And then you're going to color that in. Like this. Now we're going to do some eyelashes, but you don't have to do that if you want. So you're going to do this, 2 little straight lines coming out right through the eye, like that. Same with the other side. And now we're going to be moving on to the mouth. So you're going to do a smiley face like that, and then you're going to put an upside down U coming out, and then a little line coming out from the line too. There we go. And next, you're going to do the lines. So you're going to go like the diagonal like that. Keep going. And then now we're going to go the other way, diagonally 2. Like that. Now we're going to put a little cherry on top. Boop. And put a little dot like right there. And next you're going to draw the sprinkles. So it's going to be like a big upside down U, and then a smaller one to close it. And keep repeating that same set. Remember, you can add as many as you want. Your ice cream, your choice. Now for detail, I'm going to put a little bow on top. You're going to need, if you want to copy me, are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now I'm going to color this, and I'll see you a little bit later after I'm done. Okay, and there you got it, adorable, cute ice cream. And always remember to write your name. Hey, if you like this drawing video, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!